Okay, I'm coming to you today to talk a little bit about our cast iron skillets. I don't know about you, but I was one of those that I grew up with my dad using a cast iron, but I really didn't use it. Stainless steel was my favorite. So now I'm learning just along with you guys about cast iron skillets. I want to tell you right now we have a 10-inch cast iron skillet that is $50 in item number 100, 178. Then we have a 12-inch cast iron skillet. Love the size. That is $70, item number 100, 179. And then we have the cast iron skillet set, which comes with both. So I personally stack them and leave them in my oven like this, and then pull them out when I'm ready to use them. Now I'm going to tell you a little bit. Oh, the cast iron set is regularly $120. Item 100,229. Now I'm going to tell you a little bit about our cast iron. First of all, I want to let you know it is made in America, which that's really awesome. It's a cornerstone of cooking. A lot of people are starting to get back into using them again. Ours come pre-seasoned, so you can start using it right away on most heat sources. Now, a lot of people don't realize these can be used on glass tops. Also, they can be used over open flame. They can be used on the grill. I think conduction might be the only thing they can't be used on, but I'd have to double check on that one. So they do come pre-seasoned, like I told you. They're great for like cornbreads, cobblers. The neat thing about cast iron is it's an excellent heat retention, which means that food's going to stay hot a lot longer than other cookware. It is also heat safe up to 650 degrees. You can sear with it, saute with it, bake with it, fry with it, broil with it, grill with it. You can even use it over campfires. Just a few things to let you know. You don't have to be gentle when it comes to cast iron. Metal tools will not damage the inside of it. We actually have a video that teaches you how to re-season your cast iron and how to do that. Me personally, the way I was taught on it, when I'm done, I wash it out really good or clean it out really good. If you got a lot of stuff sticking on it, you want to put water on it and just boil it on the stove. It'll come out. But I get it rinsed out really good and everything, wipe it down completely dry. I put a little more oil on it, and I just stick it right over top the burner and let it burn for the heat set in. So mine might look a little bit different than everyone else's because I actually do mine a little bit different because that's the way I was taught from my dad. It was passed down to me. So anything else, there's metal tools won't damage it. You could use it in the oven. Oh, we do have pour spouts on each one of ours too. So it is easier, like making bacon. Oh, I love baking my bacon in the oven. But you do have your pour spouts. I do like our handles too. So you got one on each side instead of the long handle. Both of these will fit on a regular oven rack, so you can cook two things at one time. I think that's about it. Oh, I wanted to let you know they do come with a pan scraper that's included for easy cleanup. They are PTFE free. They are a lifetime warranty, guys. Lifetime. Okay? If you have any questions on how to use your cast iron, what to start with, anything about the cast iron, make sure you comment below and let me know, and I will help you out with it. And I do have a video that I've shared on how to maintain your cast iron. And it is pretty simple, but every once in a while you actually want to do the re-seasoning in the oven because you want to re-season it, okay, guys? And it is normal because a lot of people don't understand this. When they wipe it, you're going to get a little black coming off on your paper towel or whatever you're using because of the cast iron. I'm gonna say that's it. I will be posting a bunch of recipes for you to use your cast iron skillets with. And if you have any questions, just make sure to get back with me and I will help you out on this. Have a great day. Enjoy the weather.